Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you how you can send money to Nepal through this Ria Money Transfer. So let's begin the video. Here first you have to go and you have to open your Ria account. Here I will just open and you can see the send option in the bottom. Simply click on that. Now here in the option you are sending money to, here you have to choose Nepal, your country to which you want to send the money. Here you have many options other than Nepal as well. You can choose your desired country from here. After selecting the country, the second step is go and write the amount you want to send. Here in you send, you will see the amount that you are sending in your currency and the rate. Here in the rate, you can see the exchange rate that is available right now. And here in the recipient get, you will see here the money that the recipient will receive in their own currency. After selecting the money, you have to go and you have to select here a payment method. Here you have this debit card, pay in store and direct bank payment. Here you can select from these methods. I will choose here the debit card. Now the next step is choose the delivery method. Here you can choose the delivery method. Better to consult with your recipient what methods fits them best. Here for this delivery method you also have many options. Here you have this call pickup, bank and mobile wallet. Here you can transfer your money from your bank account to the cash pickup or bank, or here you can choose the mobile wallet. Here you can do all the transaction with just one click. I will just go with bank here. And next here you can add the promo code if you have, otherwise you can continue. Now here you have to go and you have to add here the recipient. Here you have to choose like if you are sending it to yourself or to someone else. As I am sending here the money to someone else, so I will just go and I will choose here someone else. Now here you have to provide the detail about the recipient, their name, their middle name, their last name, their country and their city where they live. You have to provide this information, and after adding this information you can continue. And that was basically all about how you can transfer money through Ria Money Transfer to anyone in Nepal. Here even you can go and you can see the activity, the timeline when it will be transferred and all these things. And that was basically all about how you can transfer your money to someone in Nepal. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.